Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to create a smart discount pop-up on your Shopify store. Many online stores use pop-ups to offer a discount, like 10% off as soon as you visit. While Shopify doesn't have a built-in feature for creating pop-ups, there are third-party applications available to help. To get started, go to your Shopify admin panel. On the left side, click on Settings at the bottom. From there, scroll down and click on Apps and Sales Channels. In the top right corner, click on Shopify App Store. Once in the App Store, search for a pop-up creation tool. One popular option is Sumo, but if it's unavailable due to restrictions, don't worry. There are plenty of alternatives like Sales Pop-up, Arrival Pop-up, Ecom Pop-up, or Pop Convert. For this tutorial, we'll use Pop Convert, which is reliable and easy to use. Click on Add Application for Pop Convert, then click Install Application to begin the installation. Once it's installed, you'll see the app listed on the left-hand navigation panel. You can pin it to make it more accessible. After setup, the app will be ready for use. Next, open Pop Convert. You'll see options for creating campaigns. You can either use one of their pre-designed templates or create your pop-up from scratch. For this tutorial, we'll use a template. Choose a template that suits your needs. For example, a simple one offering a 20% discount on the first purchase works well. Click on Use Template to customize it. The template editor lets you adjust various settings. You can change the background color, title color, and text color. For this example, I'll select a grey color for the background and leave the text and title colors as they are. If you want, you can also upload a custom image as the background. Adjust other visual settings like padding, transparency, and width to make your pop-up visually appealing. Now, let's configure the content. Click on Content to edit the form fields, buttons, and messages. You can add or remove form fields like email and name. Customize the text for the Submit button, add a divider, and adjust coupon settings. For the thank you message, I'll change it to say, "Thank you and happy shopping." This makes the interaction more friendly and engaging. Next, set up the display options for your pop-up. Decide where you want it to appear, such as on all pages or specific ones like the homepage. If you choose specific pages, include the page URLs. You can also configure when the pop-up should appear. I'll set it to display immediately when someone opens the page for the first time. If someone closes the pop-up, you can set it to reappear after a specific number of days, like 7. Once you're satisfied with the design and settings, give your campaign a name. I'll name this pop-up Welcome Pop-up. Click Save to finalize your changes. Now your campaign is ready. Go back to your online store to activate the pop-up. Refresh the store page to test it. If the pop-up doesn't show, try clearing your cookies and refreshing again. Once done, your custom pop-up will appear, offering discounts and helping you engage with visitors. This is how you can create a smart discount pop-up for your Shopify store using third-party applications. Thank you for watching.